the shop. I'm Steven, and today we are going to follow through the punch and die operation that I showed you previously. So I just finished the drilling and the tapping operation. I hope you can see here on the both side. So now I just have to put a plate inside the machine. Just a small comment, I like to make some chamfer after the drilling and tapping operation, and it helps the screw get inside when you have the plate inside searching for the position. So the other thing that will be very helpful, as I take the plate outside of the machine and I put some numbers, some reference and some mark, I have a back at the top, so I will be able to reposition correctly the part. So I will switch the camera, we'll put the part inside the machine and show you the last step. It's the punch transfer hole on this side. So as you can see here, I put some screw on the right side. I just transfer those holes to the plate inside, just punch them. I did the same thing here on the left side, so the plate is already maintained. It's very easy to work like that. So when you punch those holes, the plate cannot move, and you have a very accurate way to do the job. So there is one tip: when you are making some transferring hole, you need to be sure that the plate will not move, especially when you have several holes. The other thing that I didn't mention, I already prepared the hole for this plate. So this plate is supposed to go on the back of the CNC machine. So I will show you the back and the way I also transfer those holes from this plate to this one. So I use the magnetic holder to put in place and to maintain in place, this plate. I put some colors and I make a line to have the middle of the plate, the middle of the thickness of the plate that help me to align the thickness with the hole there. And I already punched them. I think that you can see the small dent. This one is a little bit down, but I think it's the hole that is down, and because this one and this one are right on the target. So it's why also you need to transfer holes sometimes when there is not a proper position of one single hole. It helps a lot to have the good thing. And I will do the drilling and tapping of the back and the front of these plates. I will do it off camera. It's not very interesting to see it. Then I will screw this plate in this position with those three tapped holes, and then I will transfer from the left side and the right side the 4 holes, and the column will be very stiff. So it will be the same result than this plate on the back. So it's more, it will be more, put some light, a bit more stiffness. On the top there is also a plate, but I don't want to make it now because I have a hole here for a motor mount, and if I put a plate I will have to remove it. So I will do later to gain access to this area for the motor. And I also here a sensor to put with wire getting down, so I need to have a proper access in this area to work correctly. This one is only some cables that will go through the machine here, so not a big deal with that. So I will do the tapping and drilling operation and show you the result after it.